Shall we start? I call the meeting to order. I request past President Rotarian Alagappan to render the Rotary grace.
O Lord, giver of all good, we praise thee for our daily food. May Rotary friends and Rotary ways help us to serve thee all our days.
Thank you. Thank you, Rotarian Alagappan, for your Rotary grace. Now, welcome address by the President. Members of Rotary Club of Madurai Northwest, past presidents, past Governor Dr. Ravindranath, and the guest speaker of the day, Mr. Subramanian, head of the department in Rotary Oral Institute of Management Studies. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you to this weekly meeting of Rotary Club of Madurai Northwest. Since the pandemic is back again with full flow, we have decided to go with Zoom meeting this week alone. Next week, there will be a fellowship meeting. I'll be on Rotary duty next week. So Pastor Snadagappan will be the chair for the next meeting. And I welcome, first of all, I would like to welcome Dr. Subramanian, who has steadily accepted to be the guest speaker, in spite of the fact that we invited him at the last minute. Thank you. Welcome to Rotary Club of Madurai Northwest, Dr. Subramanian. Next, I welcome all the members, past presidents, for this meeting. Thank you. Now, Rotary information. First of all, I would like to announce that the pet sunsets, which are scheduled to happen in Kodaikanal on this week, this Saturday, Sunday, and Friday, was postponed indefinitely. And there is tentatively they have announced a date that they may conduct the meeting on May 6th, 7th, or 8th at Kodaikanal again. At Chennai again, because it was scheduled to arrange with 3 other districts. But since RA president was not able to come, they have postponed the meeting, I think. And next week, we have the Rotaract conference at Kodaikanal at 24th and 25th. So I'll be, so the DRR and DRCC has extended an invitation for me and my wife to come over there. So I will be there on Rotary duty. So next week, there will be a fellowship meeting. And there is no other word. Last week, I have made an appeal to all the members regarding the conference registration. But now the conference seems it's not certain. We have an uncertainty about the conference because all the events are getting cancelled. And I'm just waiting for the final word from the governor regarding the conference. And some of the members expressed their displeasure over the returning of money for combo registrations. Fortunately, we don't have a very large number of combo registrations from our club. We have only 3. In the last minute, we pulled out, and so we just stuck with 3. So I'm looking for refund for all those registrations and all. I'm in touch with the Assistant Governor regarding that. And regarding the Rotary Convention, the Rotary Convention is being cancelled, which was scheduled to happen in the month of June. In the Chinese Taipei was cancelled, and they have made it as a virtual convention. So this is going to be a lifetime, once in a lifetime opportunity for all of us to participate in a Rotary convention. So as far as now, the registration is just $49 till May 7th. After that, it may go up to $65. So I request all the members, especially Rotarian Alagappan and Doctor to register for the convention. So, and Palnivel is there, and the secretary is there. And I request this will be the once in a lifetime opportunity for all of us to participate in the Rotary convention. So I request all of you, it is just for $50. So I request all of you to register for, I will send the link for the registration. If you need any help or guidance or whatever it may be, I'm at your disposal to help you to guide through the process. Thank you very much. And this is about the Rotary information. And now let me introduce the guest speaker for today. Today's guest speaker is the head of the department at Oral Institute of Management Studies, and he was born and brought up in Madurai. He did his BCom at Majira College, and he did his Bachelor of General Laws, and he did his PGDMM in Material Management, and he did his MA in Psychology, and did his Master of Finance and Control again in Madurai Kamaraj University. Did his MBA in at Priest University. Did his MPhil in Madurai Kamaraj University, and he did his PhD in finance in Priest University in Tanjavur. Now he is doing his postdoctoral fellowship at Lincoln University in Malaysia. Dr. M. Subramanian is 47 years old, is an alumnus of Indian Institute of Management, IIM Ahmedabad, and he has got 23 years of experience in industry, teaching, research, and consulting. He is presently the head of management programs at Oral Institute of Management Studies, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. He was earlier the Pan-India head of financial services and business analytic domain, iNuture Educational Consultant Private Limited, Bangalore, spearheading rupees 100 million business portfolio. He has worked for companies like Vardhaman Threads, Big Shoppers Group of Companies, Kumudam Publications, and Jana Lakshmi Financial Services in various positions, in which the top management position as Assistant Vice President. He is a SEBI certified financial educator, SEBI certified research analysis, and an MSc certified investment analysis and portfolio management. He is a certified blockchain specialist and certified design thinking specialist. He has served as teaching faculties in various premier business schools, institutions like Amity University in Noida campus, Delhi, and Institute for Technology and Management at Taraja School of Management and IILM New Delhi. He has published and has presented more than 40 papers in various national and international conferences, and also won many best paper awards. As a researcher, he has published and presented management case studies and has also won the best paper case studies several times. He is an accredited trainer consultant for NTCP, SVJN, Power Grid Corporation, NISG. He trains the top management executives on the enterprises risk management, leadership development, finance for non-financial executives, and financial engineering like topics. He is a certified international trainer by Icon USA on leadership skills for mid-level managers. He has also been a cluster coordinator consultant for Young Entrepreneur School in Madurai, Tamil Nadu Chamber of Commerce. He is a regular trainer faculty for Institute of Company Secretaries of India and Institute of Chartered Accountant of India and soft skills, capital markets and strategic management. He is a regular trainer faculty at LICO, Aravind Hospitals, Madurai on finance for hospital administrations and international management development program. He is an active business quiz master and conducted various business quizzes pan-India. He is married to Mrs. Shamala, and this couple is blessed with a son. And with these few words, I present the guest speaker of the day, Dr. S. Subramanian. Dr. Subramanian, the floor is all yours.
Thank you.
குகன் சார்
Yes.
நம்ம பாஸ்கர் சார் மட்டும் மியூட் பண்ணிருங்க சார். அவர்கிட்ட இருந்து ரொம்ப சத்தம் வந்துட்டே இருக்கு.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Gnana Guhan, and very good morning to all the Rotarians here. It's my pleasure and privilege to present my thought on possibility thinking. And I thought to, instead of wasting your time in the morning, Sunday morning, let me start my presentation and share my screen to you all. Guhan, can you allow me to share the screen?
Wait. I'm making you the host now.
Okay. Right. I trust my screen should be visible to you now.
Yeah.
Right. So let me begin with a very, very popular story of possibility thinking. Why this possibility thinking instead of positive thinking? I think quite a few occasions, many might have listened to this topic, possibility thinking, why it is. So let me begin the session with a flavor of a story which is known to many. Right, gazelle and lion story. Every day morning in Africa, a gazelle wakes up. It knows that it should move faster than the lion or it will not survive. Every morning, a lion wakes up and it knows it must move faster than the slowest gazelle or it will starve. So it does not matter if you are lion or gazelle. When the sun comes up, you better keep moving, said the Roger Bannister. So what is so special about this Roger Bannister? He was a British athlete. 1948, he was rejected an opportunity to participate in Olympics as a part of British team. In 1950s, again he tried and got trained severely and miserably failed. He came fourth in the Olympics, 1952 Olympics in Helsinki. Again, he didn't give up and he again got trained. And in 1954, the most uh, encouraging and motivational part is he crossed that 1 mile less than a minute, less than 4 minutes. 1 mile less than 4 minutes. That is 1,500-meter dash less than 4 minutes. Everybody was surprised and they were asking how it was possible because his competitor Landy was there. Ashton Landy was there. He was the all-time winner when he was participating in many events. He was so surprised how is it is possible for him to make it. That he is trying for the past several years, but 1954 he tried and he made it. So everybody was training their legs, everybody was pulling up their socks, and everybody was there getting them trained in different ways. But he understood that when he starts running fast, he is unable to cope up with the blood pressure which is pumping to the heart. So looking into that, uh, he said how to train my heart, how to pump the blood flow to my heart in a better way. So what he started doing is he trained his heart how fast he'll be able to do this exercise and how he will be able to make it to happen. So what he did in 1954, he got fully trained how to manage the blood flow circulation to the heart, and he started giving it his best. And 1954, he won the race with less than 4 minutes a mile, 3.59, 3 minutes and 59 seconds. He made the record. So within 6 months' time, the Landy, his own competitor, surpassed this record. Again, within a year, a few more people also surpassed. So the thinking is, what made other people possible to cross the same a mile less than 4 minutes? Till 1954, none was able to make it. How it was made possible for others to make it in less than 4 minutes a mile? So it is the direction of the thinking. So instead of training your leg, instead of training anything else, he was training how to maintain the blood flow pumping to the heart properly. And the direction of thinking has given him an edge that how can you make it? That is what the possibility thinking outcome is all about. Typically, I can add one more story to you. Till 2010, in one day cricket, none has gone for double century in one day cricket. But in 2010, when Sachin Tendulkar was able to hit double century, he again showed the direction. Yes, it is possible to get double century in cricket. From 2010 to 2021 till date, there are 14 people who have scored double century. That Rohit Sharma from India has scored 3 double centuries. He is holding the maximum record. So why till 2010 nobody was able to hit a double century, and how it was made possible by one person, then everybody was able to make it. One is the possibility is the way to think. Number two, somebody has to show the direction. So those who have the possible mindset will show the direction to others that it is possible by everybody. The point is, there is one proverb saying that if you can do it, why not I can, why not me? If I can do it, everybody else can do. So that gives a pep for us for the possibility thinking. So let me kickstart my official presentation with this Roger Bannister's incident of running mile less than 4 minutes and Sachin Tendulkar's double century stand. The same thing goes with century also for cricket. It happened only in 1974, the first century. After that, it took a lot of
Anna.
years to break it. Right. So why this topic, possibility thinking, is all about uh, the attitude is the most powerful thing. We all know about it. There is no dearth about it. Attitude is the most powerful thing, and the possible attitude can lift the can be a life changing thing. See, instead of just thinking positive, we have to make it possible, and we have to think, yes, it is. I am the way. I am the direction for you. That there comes the change in mindset. So asking questions that open the door of possibility. That is what the key thing. Everybody knows about it. It is not that no one knows about what am I talking. Everybody knows about it. But the only thing is asking the possibility question at the right time. At the right time. The same question, why, when, where, who, how, what. The same question, if you ask in the right time, before when we start something, instead of asking what is it, why is it, how we're going to happen it, when we start with this, definitely we'll end up with the answer, yes, it is possible. Instead of saying impossible, we all know that we make apostrophe and we say I am possible, right? So that is the transformation which we are expecting from everybody to take it forward. So think possible situation analysis. I'll be able to share a couple. For example, when we have a manufacturer of a product of your choice, now with this time you have full of orders on the hand, and at the same time you have raw materials or in irregular supply, and you know the laborers are going on strike demanding bonus and wage hike. And what will you do if you ask us to make a decision at this point of time? I'm sure that everybody with their experience and smartness and shrewdness will be able to come out with solution. That is where we think it is not about positive thinking, it is about possible thinking. Yes, though my orders are full, I have shortage of raw material, I have labor challenges. Only when the head of the company or the person who is taking charge of the position thinks it is possible, we'll be able to find a solution. If you don't think it is possible, we'll not be able to find a solution. I'm sure that all the Rotarians might have come across such a kind of situations many a time in your lifetime. That is for sure. I know this. Right. Again, let me share one more situation to you. We represent you represent a high-tech product or service company. The urban market seems to be full. That is what the order of the day. There is no further space to grow for us. The only option available is to go rural. But yours is a high-tech product. Yours a high-tech product. Yours a high-tech product. So how do you plan to go rural with the high-tech product or service? So when these mobile company came and a lot of smartphones came, we all thought the same way. How mobile companies are going to push their services 4G, 5G, 3G, or how we are going to take the smartphone, the touch phone to the rural area. But today we're able to see the penetration of mobile services across India, that to the penetration to the rural area, and we'll be able to see the usage of smartphones in the rural area also. So these situations we have been trained. The only mindset is possible. Yes, it is possible. It is not just positive. Positive will give you only what I can say, kind of feel that yes, we are positive, we're keeping good. But possibility will push you to the next level, taking steps further, and we'll be able to move down. Right. A story that I love again teaches a lot to us. A boy was talking with his grandfather. So the question is, what do you think about the world situation? The grandfather was asking. I feel like wolves are fighting in my heart. One is full of anger and hatred, and the other is full of love, forgiveness, and peace. So subsequently, again, the question was posted to the grandfather. Which one will win? The boy asked. Again, the grandfather replied, the one I feed. Whatever I'm going to feed will going to win. So again, this positive thought, we have to turn that into possibility thinking. Yes, just positive thought, keeping in mind, okay, I can do it. Instead of just saying I can do it, I will do it. We'll be able to plan it out how I'm going to make it. So feed your thought with positivity to make it possible. That is very much essential. Right. It is a simple story, but think possible to get positive results, and think impossible will get negative results. So moment I start learning driving car, I should feel proud that I have a car driving license now. I have a car with me now. I'll be able to reach my workplace on time. Instead, on day one after learning the car, if I take on the road, if I start praying, my God, there should not be any traffic jams today. People should not cross my way today. There should not be any police constable on the way today. So if you think all these negativities, definitely we will not reach the place with all the comfort. We will be having a lot of roadblocks. That is for sure. There comes again the possibility thinking. It is not just about positive thinking, it's about the possibility thinking. So take the car with all the positive mindset. Yes, it is possible for you. Drive it, you will be able to reach the destination on time. If you feel again a lot of negativities, if you think impossible, you will get negative results. Again, how to think possible. Again, here is one framework which I thought to present to the elite Rotarians. Instead of defining, we have redefined the goal. We might have defined our goal, definite. For every one of us will have in another 5 years, I should be the market leader in this particular industry. I should be reaching my financial strength to this level. So we'll be having our defined goals. Instead, we have to redefine it to a way that yes, it is possible to reach that. Again, we have to check the payback measurements. How we are going to ensure that payback measurements, we should have the checks and balances to ensure that payback measurements are being made. Set smart sub goals or steps. Instead of making a big goal and reaching out to that, we should be able to break that goal into smart sub goals, and we should be able to make it over there. From time to time, the smart goals, the small goals, we have to evaluate. Why we have to evaluate? Because things are keep changing day by day. We have lot of external events happening. So at this point of time, we have to keep on evaluating the self and the team's performance. Will be able to reach the particular goal with all possibilities. Again, prioritize the time scales and measurement. We have to keep on having a tap on it. And finally, we have to smile and celebrate each and every small moment. Only when we have this kind of flow,
Excuse
we
me,
do it.
there is a disturbance. I request everyone to switch off, put off your mic. Subramaniam, could you please mute, unmute? Okay, thank you, thank you. Yeah.
So
Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Please.
yeah, if all the 6 steps, it is not very rigorous. We all do it consciously. Everybody do the steps, but we may not know that we are doing all the 6 steps. Maybe I'll be skipping one step, or I'll be doing 2 steps parallelly. But we all are doing all these steps cautiously. We are doing it. Make it possible. So now the question is, there is one thing which very popularly, which is outspoken, is called the breakthrough thinking model in the world, which is a breakthrough for all the possibility thinking. Instead of just saying positive, I want to move ahead to the next step called possibility thinking. So here is the breakthrough thinking model. One side I had the stability, other side I had the possibilities. When we have the interaction of many, either stability is normal or the stability is critical. What about the new what about the new reality and incubation? If you have an interaction of all these four factors or four variables, definitely we'll be having a breakthrough. Today we are into a new normal. Even this meeting is happening through online. Who thought that these kind of meetings will be happening through online? Again, we have an option how to catch the attention span of the attendees for more than 7 minutes. Earlier they were saying 21 minutes, but in online platform they say that beyond 7 minutes, catching the attention span of the attendees is very, very critical, very, very difficult and challenging, right? So the breakthrough thinking model is required in this new normal. So ways to think possible. First thing, I'm not going to suggest or advise anything because everybody is practicing the same thing. We have to quit worrying about it. Yes, happened has happened. We have to. It hurts your head and your mood. Use the energy to think positive and be possible and be present. That is number one. We should have it. Uh, Other things I'm not going to read it out. Instead, I'll be taking you to the thing. Take responsibility for your actions and their consequence. Many a time we miss this part. Let it be a leader or the executive. We don't assume the responsibility and the consequence. What is? Don't pass the buck. Moment I face a failure, I start searching for someone to pass the buck. As John F. Kennedy said, we all know that John F. Kennedy's statement that victory is an bastard, it has many fathers. Defeat is an orphan, no one owns it. So take responsibility for the action, whatever we take, then we will start thinking possible. Yes, it is possible or not. So define what success means to you. Set goals as per the possibilities of you, what you can do it. Instead of benchmarking somebody else and trying to again reach that height, you have to break your goals into smaller steps. We have to reach that and we'll be able to make it. Set goals, smaller goals, reach that, celebrate that, keep moving, right? Work with self-confidence. At time, self-confidence may push us to the overconfidence level at times. No one knows how to balance it. Hardly there is a survey of Harvard says out of 100% of business people in the world, 97% of people misses out because of overconfidence. Hardly 3 people are able to identify what is self-confidence and what is overconfidence. 3% of people, 97 people misses out, and they push themselves to the overconfidence level and they lose the game. So when possible thinking, when we think everything is possible, we have to have a demarcation about self-confidence and about the overconfidence level. Hang out with people who are very positive. We have people surrounding us who will start saying that you will, it will not be possible. But there are exceptions. Walt Disney, for that purpose, he is a very, very exceptional person. He used to discuss this idea with many of his friends. Out of 10 friends, 9 has to reject the idea. It is not possible, it is not feasible. Even before starting the Disneyland, the same thing happened, right? So after that, 9 people rejected the idea, then he took up, why not I can do it? When everybody says it is not possible, I will make it possible. That is Walt Disney's take. When Walt Disney is able to make it, everybody it is possible, right? So when I can do it, everybody else can do it. When you can do it, I should also be able to do it. That is the way we have to think possible. Forget about the mistakes that we have made in the past. There will be a lesson we'll be learning, that is for sure. But when you have to move ahead with all the positivity and possibility thinking, we have to forget about the mistakes. Accepting the learning what we had, we should not take anything else. Practice gratitude and appreciation. Small things we have to practice gratitude and appreciation. That is much required in the possibility thinking, I trust. Uh, Nurture our relationship, definitely that is going to I can say grow up our positive vibe circle among us. Don't be quick in don't be very quick in making judgments. That is what many times we used to do the mistake. Sometimes we feel we are very so smart enough and we'll make judgments and we'll pass judgments about ourselves. So let us be very cautious in making judgments. That is one of the art in making a possibility thinking, right? Let us allow the players to be with you, then you take your own time and then make a judgment. Don't be very quick or make a hasty judgment about people. That is again two things which are going to get into our head is GF factor. GF factor, when I used to talk to the young minds, GF factor, they used to say girlfriend. It's not about girlfriend, it's about greed and fear. Get rid of greed and fear. Greed and fear are two things that's going to kill us in the business, kill us in decision making. Either we'll be greedy or we'll be making fearful. So balancing these two and throwing these two away and making yes the positive situation to a possible situation, there comes a miracle in the life for all of us, right? So I don't want to take much of your time. I think it is possibility that keeps me going, not the guarantee. It is not just guarantee, I stand guarantee for this. It is the possibility which gives me a lot of pep for me. That gives me a lot of guarantee for me, right? So there comes the order of the day. So I thought to leave with this. If you're not prepared to be wrong, you will never come up with anything original. That is for sure. You should be prepared to be wrong. It is not that first shot will be able to gain the maximum. We should be prepared to be wrong, and we have to accept the challenges and we will make our possibility. Yes, it is possible and positive. There comes the possibility thinking. So with this, let me leave the floor open for their own possible thinking about this topic. Thank you, Nyanagruhan. Thank you, Rotarians. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Dr. Subramanian. Would it be possible for you to make me host again?
Yeah, I'll do that.
So that I can.
I'll do that.
Thank you for your thought-provoking speech, because it gave me a lot of food for my thoughts. Because the last 2 or 3 months back, we had a speaker from the Rotary Club of Madurai North, past president Dr. Palnivel Rajan, who spoke on positive thinking. So now you reinforce that staying positive is not enough. You have to look for possibility also. No? So I have a question for you, because the possibility அப்படின்னு வரும்போது ஒரு கேம் ஆஃப் சான்ஸ் மாதிரி வந்துடாது. ஒரு இதுல என்ன பண்ணலாம், ஒரு இதுல என்ன கேட்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா பாசிபிள், இட் இஸ் பாசிபிள் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லலாம். பட் பாசிபிலிட்டி அப்படின்னு வரும்போது ஒரு கேம் ஆஃப் சான்ஸ் மாதிரி தானே வருது இல்லையா? Am I the host now?
Yeah, 1 second. I'm doing that.
Please. Palnivel, could you please? Okay. Palnivel, could you?
What do you want, sir?
I want you to mute yourself.
I'm making you the host. Give me a minute. I'll do that.
Okay. Palnivel, do you have any question? You can go ahead.
சார் நீங்க முதல்ல சொன்னீங்களா, அதுக்கு அவருக்கு ஆன்சர் சொல்லிட்டோம்.
Okay. Thank you. Right. Okay.
Gohan, you are the host now.
Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah. You can answer. And Subramanian, wait. Yeah. I'm asking you to unmute.
Okay, well, I have done that. See, though it is a chance, see, we have to evaluate cautiously. See, now what is happening in positive thinking, we think everything is positive, we spread the message with positive. எல்லாம் முடியும் நினைச்சிட்டு பேசுறோமே தவிர பாசிபிள் எதுன்னு பார்க்கணும். இப்போ 4 பாசிட்டிவ் திங்கர் இருந்தா 2 தான் பாசிபிளா இருக்கும். ரியல் டைம் ஃபில்டர் பண்ணி வரும்போது அந்த 4மே பாசிட்டிவ் நினைச்சிட்டு நம்ம ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தோம்னா நம்மளுக்கு வந்து எவாலுவேஷன் டைம் வந்து கம்மியா இருக்கிறதுனால, காம்படிட்டிவ் வேர்ல்ட் டைம் கம்மியா இருக்கிறதுனால we should be thinking which is possible னு குயிக் எவாலுவேட் பண்ணணும். அந்த 4ல 2ல 1 நம்ம எடுக்கணும். அந்த டைம் கேப்ல தான் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து காம்படிஷன்ல மிஸ் அவுட் ஆகிறோம். அதே மாதிரி பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி மிஸ் பண்றோம். அந்த பாசிட்டிவ் டு பாசிபிலிட்டி, அந்த டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன், அந்த டிராவல்ல தான் many people are missing it out. So there come I said that instead of just being positive, we should be possible.
Okay, thank you. Right. Palnivel, if you have any question, you can go ahead.
சார், இப்போ ரிசோர்ஸை வச்சுக்கிட்டு இப்போ ஒரு பாசிபிள் திங்கிங் இருக்கு, ரிசோர்ஸ் இல்லாம பாசிபிள் திங்கிங் இருக்கு சார். அது எப்படி சார் நீங்க டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்றீங்க சார்?
சார், ரிசோர்ஸ் ஆப்டிமைசேஷன் நம்ம சொல்றோம். இருக்கு ரிசோர்ஸ் ஆப்டிமைஸ் பண்றதுக்கு தான் பாசிபிலிட்டி பார்க்குறோம். நம்பர் 2, இப்போ நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரிசோர்ஸே இல்லாம அப்படிங்கும்போது, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஐ கேன் ஷோ லாட் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் லைக் லெட் அஸ் டேக் அமேசான். அமேசான் என்ன பண்ணாரு? he don't have any big resource, he is only an aggregator. Ola, an aggregator. Business models are there in front of us, they are aggregators, they are not created resource, there is only idea. What they have, they converted that the idea into a bigger platform for winning in the business. So resource இருந்து பண்றது ஒண்ணு, ஐடியாவை நம்ம ஒர்க் பண்றது அப்படிங்கிறது அடுத்தது. So idea should be bright and it should be workable. So if you are able to have a winning idea, workable idea, logical idea, rational idea, yes, it will work. So it is not the resource is the constraint. Examples are again, Ola is the classical example, or we can say the Oyo rooms are a classical example. So without any resource, they are able to do it. Technology company, they are being aggregator, they are able to win it.
Thank you, sir. நெக்ஸ்ட் வருஷம் வந்து நான் தான் பிரசிடென்ட் எலெக்ட். நான் இப்போ இந்த வருஷம் பிரசிடென்ட், நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர் வந்து பிரசிடென்ட். நீங்க கொடுத்த மெசேஜ் வந்து ரொம்ப எனக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும் சார். தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Right, thank
you. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can ask. You can raise your hand.
நான் ராஜா முகமது பேசுறேன்.
Yes.
Sir, please.
சார், பாசிட்டிவ் திங்கிங்கும் ஓவர் கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டுக்கும் எப்படி சார் இருக்கு?
Sir, positive
Very
thinking is nothing. It is not a. It is a very beautiful thing. Positive thinking வேணும் நம்மளுக்கு. In fact, possibility thinking first முதல் படியே பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாசிட்டிவ் திங்கிங் தான். நான் 4 பாசிட்டிவ் ஐடியா இருந்தா அது 1 2 நம்ம குறைச்சு கொண்டு வரலாம் பாசிபிலிட்டி நம்மளுக்கு. நம்பர் 1 பாசிட்டிவ் திங்கிங் அப்படிங்கிறது ஓவர் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸா மாறாது சார். பாசிட்டிவ் திங்கிங்ல ஒரு கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் நம்மளுக்கு இந்த ஐடியா ஒர்க் பண்ண முடியும், இந்த ரிசோர்ஸ் வச்சு நம்மளால பண்ண முடியும், நம்மளுக்கு கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் வருது இல்லையா? அது செல்ஃப் கான்ஃபிடென்ட் லெவல் இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் பிரச்சனையே கிடையாது. அது எப்போ கொஞ்சம் ஓவர் கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டா மாறுதோ, நம்ம பண்ணிடலாம், நம்ம அடிச்சிடலாம், நம்ம ஒரு 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 கட்ல நம்ம பண்ணும்போது அது சமயத்துல ஓவர் கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டா மாறும். அதான் சொன்னேன், 97% of people miss out the opportunity because of overconfidence. Hardly 3 people are able to see the difference between self-confidence and overconfidence. பல சமயத்துல நம்ம பிசினஸ் மிஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய சான்ஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ஓவர் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் நல்லா பண்ண முடியும்னு ஒரு மிஸ்கால்குலேஷன் பண்ணி போயிடுறோம். அங்கதான் அந்த பாசிட்டிவ் டு பாசிபிலிட்டி டிராவல் டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன் நடக்கணும். எஸ், நம்மள்ட்ட இந்த ரிசோர்ஸ் இருக்கு, நம்மளுக்கு இந்த ஐடியா இருக்கு, இது ஒர்க் ஆகும், இது ஒர்க் ஆகாது அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்த்து நம்ம பண்ணக்கூடிய பக்குவம் நம்மளுக்கு வரணும் சார்.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Anyone? Otherwise, we can conclude the proceedings. Okay. Thank you.
President.
Yeah, Doctor.
President,
yeah.
1 minute.
Yeah, Doctor. Yeah.
Next week உங்க ரோட்ராக்ட் கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் வந்து வர்ச்சுவலா ரியலா?
இல்ல, கொடைக்கானல்ல டாக்டர்.
கொடைக்கானல்ல.
கிரீன் பார்க் ஒரு
கொடைக்கானல்ல
கிரீன் பார்க்னு சொல்லி ஒரு கிரீன் பார்க் ரெசார்ட்னு சொல்லி ஒரு ரெசார்ட்ல நடக்குது.
இல்ல சார், வர்ச்சுவலா இல்லையான்னு கேட்டேன்.
இல்ல கொடைக்கானல்ல தான் நடக்குது.
பெர்மிஷன் கொடுத்தாங்க.
தெரியல, அது எப்படின்னு தெரியல. அது ஸ்டில் இது வரைக்கும் கேன்சல் பண்ணல. கேன்சல் பண்ணலன்னா இது வரைக்கும் கேன்சல் பண்ணல. they are going ahead with it. Have you registered for convention, doctor?
Very good. All the best.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
No.
Thank you. Okay.
பண்ணுவோம்.
Please
பண்ணி கொடுங்க.
கண்டிப்பா டாக்டர். நான் வரேன் டாக்டர், நான் அந்த சிம்டம்ஸ்.
Thank you
டாக்டர். So thank you. Okay டாக்டர்.
போயிட்டு வாங்க.
Thank you, doctor. So next week, our members, thank you, Dr. Subramanian, for your wonderful speech. I request you to visit our club when everything becomes normal. And thank you so much. And I have one more request. Again, Assistant Governor Devasena Murli contacted me for more and more of TRF this year, and district designated fund kum sari, polio kum sari, they are pushing hard very much for me. So I have made a kind of a promise to her that we will cross at least $6,000 to $7,000 this year. Now we are standing at nearly we have contributed around $3,000, and I have promised $3,000 more. And I request Past President Alagappan and Past Governor Ravindranath to help me to achieve this. Okay, thank you so much. And word of thanks. Rangachalapati, are you going ahead with word of thanks, or shall I? Secretary? Yeah. Yes.
Thank you, President. இன்றைய சிறப்பு பேச்சாளர் டாக்டர் சுப்பிரமணியம் அவர்களுக்கும், கலந்து கொண்டு சிறப்பித்த முன்னாள் ஆளுநர் டாக்டர் ரவீந்திரநாத், முன்னாள் தலைவர்கள், உறுப்பினர்களுக்கும் என்னுடைய நெஞ்சார்ந்த நன்றிகளையும் வணக்கத்தையும் தெரிவிக்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you. The meeting is adjourned. Since the recording is on and we have to end it, I'm going to end the meeting now itself. We don't have time for fellowship, and we shall have some other time for fellowship in the virtual platform. Thank you so much.